We've all been there, waiting for that one text or phone call from someone we miss. But what if we told you there's a way to know if she's also missing you, but she's just too shy to say it out loud? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the world of relationships and decipher the language of love. Keep watching because we're about to reveal the phrases women often use to subtly tell you that they're missing you and thinking about you. Number 1. Do you remember when we did this? When she starts a conversation with this phrase, it brings back more than just nostalgia. It indicates her desire to take a trip down memory lane, where you fondly remember cherished moments and shared experiences in vivid detail. By diving into these memories, she not only relives those times with you, but also subtly expresses her longing for those moments with you. It's her way of reconnecting with you through joyful reminiscing, and it's a way to emphasize how important your presence was to her in those special times. Looking back on your shared history has a way of reigniting the closeness you once shared during those times. When she remembers those moments you spent together, it shows that you hold a special place in her heart and that she's been thinking about you and the time you spent together. It's like she longs for your companionship and wants to create more amazing memories with you. Evoking such a nostalgic feeling is a sweet way of expressing her desire to make more precious memories together. Number 2. Here's something I think you'll love. When she mentions something she thinks will catch your interest, it's more than just a friendly gesture. It shows that she understands your preferences and wants to spend time with you. By saying these words, she's letting you know that she's been thinking about you and what you like, whether it's a book, a movie, a place, or even a meme that she thinks you'd enjoy. This thoughtful gesture proves that she knows you well and keeps you in her thoughts, even when you're not together. The way she carefully selects things she believes you would enjoy shows how well she understands you. It's also like her silent way of saying, "Hey, I get you," not to mention a sign of her emotional connection with you and her desire to share these experiences with you. And you know what? This behavior is really meaningful. It's not just about her knowing your preferences and interests, but it's also about her investing time and thought into your happiness. She genuinely wants to bring joy into your life. Think about it. How sweet is it that she goes out of her way to find and share things that are specifically tailored to you? It's like she's always looking for ways to keep the conversation and connection alive. Like it's her way of saying, "I really, really want to be with you." That kind of effort is a beautiful testament to how much she wants to be in your company. Number 3. I've been meaning to tell you this. As you know, this phrase is often used to start a conversation, and it carries a subtle undertone of importance. But when a woman starts a conversation with this phrase, often it's like she's saying you've been on her mind. What does that mean, you ask? It means she's been holding on to thoughts or experiences that she wants to share specifically with you. It's as if whenever something interesting or significant happens in her daily life, you're the one who comes to her mind. Moreover, it shows how much she values your bond as she holds on to specific stories and experiences just so she can share them with you directly. And it's a sign that she has been yearning for your interactions. By saying this phrase, it reveals the emotional attachment she has towards you. It implies that you're on her mind even when you're not together. It also reveals her emotional investment and the special place you occupy in her life. Ultimately, it strongly indicates her desire for your presence. Number 4. I was just talking about you. You know, telling you this phrase is a subtle yet revealing cue that she's missing you. When she casually brings up that she talks about you with others, it may seem like just a passing remark. But the truth is, it carries deeper implications. When she mentions that she's been talking about you with friends or family, it means that you've been on her mind so much that she can't help but mention you in conversations. Not to mention, it's her way of keeping you present in her world, even when you're not physically together. By discussing you with others, she's showing that she considers you important and that your interactions have left a lasting impression that's worth sharing with others. More importantly, when she shares stories or thoughts about you with others, it's a beautiful way of showing how much she appreciates your relationship and misses you. It's like she can't help but talk about you because you have such a special place in her thoughts. It's clear that she longs for you and wants to stay connected even when you're not together physically. Number 5. I want to ask you for your advice. When she says these words, it means more than just asking for help. It shows that she really cares about your perspectives. Think about it. By asking for your advice specifically, she shows that she values your opinions and views. It's like she trusts you and knows that you can give her some really good insights. Even better, it's a way of involving you in her decisions or problems, showing not only that she respects your views, but also that she wants to connect with you. Seeking advice can also indicate that not only does she value your thoughts and contributions, but she also misses the interaction. It's like her roundabout way of saying that she wants to reconnect with you. By specifically coming to you for advice, it's clear that she sees you as an important person in her life. And this behavior usually means she wants to share insights with you and values the bond you have. Number 6. I've been learning more about this interest of yours. When she shares her newfound knowledge or shows interest in something you're passionate about, it's not just about her picking up a new hobby. It's her way of connecting with you on a deeper level. In fact, her willingness to explore your world is a clear sign of her emotions. See, when she brings up something you love in a conversation, it's not that she's just doing small talk. It shows that she genuinely wants to understand and engage with your world. Telling you this phrase also indicates that she wants to feel closer to you by exploring the things you love, and you can take it as a sign that she thinks about you even when you're apart. Even better, when she takes the initiative to understand your passions, it shows that she wants to connect with you on a deeper level. Showing interest in your hobbies or interests is her way of appreciating what matters to you. This emotional investment indicates her strong desire to connect with you on a personal and intimate level. It's clear that she not only misses you, but also wants to be a part of your world. Isn't it a beautiful way of showing how much she values your presence in her life? In conclusion, understanding whether she's missing you just got easier. Look out for phrases like, "Do you remember when we did this?" And, "Here's something I think you'll love." Pay attention when she says, "I've been meaning to tell you this," or "I was just talking about you." And when she seeks your advice or shows interest in your passions, it's a clear sign she values your connection. These subtle cues reveal her longing for your presence and the special place you hold in her thoughts. So, keep an ear out for these heartfelt expressions to decode her feelings and strengthen your bond. Here are 2 more videos you may find interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos like this, subscribe to the channel.